Hi, welcome back to the channel. Welcome on tours. Hope everyone's doing really well. We are in Laganas, Zante, and we're going to take a walk along the main beach and see what the beach bars have to offer. So let's see Wagwan, you know the vibe. So we've just come out of Tazos, and it was €4 for Mivos, which is the main beer. And I had a iced cappuccino, which was about €4.50. So we got the Boulevard Beach Bar.
Boulevard.
Hello, hiya. Good, thank you. Good, thank
Where are you
you.
from exactly?
We're from UK.
UK. You're welcome. You have a nice holiday, guys.
Yes, thank you. Cheers. See you later. Thank you. So as you can see along the Laganas beach, you've got all the sort of sun loungers, and then the beach is literally just there to the water, so you don't have to walk very far at all to get into the ocean. And it's very shallow, so it is nice to walk out. So we've got the seaside, there's a menu there. So you've got Greek mezza for 2 person. So you can do food and drinks. Got Malibu's, cocktails and food again. You got your little pedlos there. Let's go for a nice little slide on it. Got 2 person seat, probably fit some more in the back. Boat rentals here. Oh, got some nice cabanas in this one. This is Isabel's. Very pink. Yeah, nice. I like the pink and the white. Very nice. Oh, careful. It's giving me like Barbie vibes, this one. And this one is Isabel's. So again, they do breakfast, lunch, dinner, cocktails, drinks. They're all going to be around the same sort of price along the waterfront. So your sort of local beer is going to be between €4 and €5. We've got balsamico. Hopefully I'm saying that correctly. Hiya. How much is it for a lounger here?
Here it's €20 for the whole set. You have a private shower, you have a around, the menu has all you need.
Yeah.
The bottle you want. And up there it's €20 for the set.
And €20 for that one up there. Lovely.
So this season, it's all changed, yeah? Because we came last season and most places along this side was all for free.
Most places along this side are probably still for free, but
Yeah.
they don't have quality, they don't have
That's it.
comfort. You can check around,
Yeah,
but they do, you need to pay maybe €10-15.
yeah.
They charge. Maybe there are a few that are still free,
Yeah.
but most will charge something.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe a bit less though.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much.
See
Have a
you
good day. So there you go. So it does vary. So it does help if you want to do a little walk around to get the best price. It depends what you want. So you've got Affinity Beach Club and Restaurant. We have got a video on the channel. We was there last year. That turns into a nice little night space. Hello. As you can see, you've got quite a lot of bedding for that one we just went by. So this one has disco, a little bit more of like a club party vibe for this one. And again, the beds are probably going to be around about the same price. So you've got Cubaneros, sorry. We have this one as well. I think we've got a little video on this one. So yeah, so you can rent. Ah, lovely, thank you.
Sorry. This
Go on.
is my boat. I'm going. Garan Turtle.
Yeah,
Garan Turtle. Turtle Island. I stop for swim. See the baby turtle. I'm going Kerry Caves.
yeah.
I'm going to the caves. Blue Caves, knocking Kerry.
Okay,
I show you,
lovely.
wait. I'm very good captain. This is my job, 25 years.
Okay.
I show you. I see the big turtle. This is my boat. I stop Turtle Island.
Ah, lovely.
I'm going to the caves.
And how much does it cost?
I'm going to the See the Luna caves. Guaranteed the George, the big one.
Ah, okay.
This is my boat, fridge, fresh water. I have VIP. Look, the case, this case I'm going.
Gorgeous.
Because my boat not very big one, 20, 30 people, I'm going to the caves inside.
Oh, nice. And
You
how much
come in,
does
I
that
start
cost
1,
you?
2, 3, 30 euros each.
30 euros each. We're just doing a little
Thank you.
walk at the moment, but if you're
Thank you
interested,
thank
what's
you
the
very
name
much.
of the boat?
You can go in television to me, yeah? Where are you going now?
It'll be on YouTube, so Wagwan
Where are you
Tours.
going now?
We're just doing a walk along the beach.
Come on, nice place here, the
coming
best
back.
one.
We'll come back.
Thank you. Yeah.
But
Thank
I start,
you.
I'm going to the Portugal. Do you want to come?
Thank you very much. So you go 30 euros and you go to all those locations, not a bad price. And a little bit more of a smaller boat, but like I said, there's quite a lot of boats. You can get your own boat as well, which we kind of prefer, because then you can go wherever you like. Yeah. So we've got Horizon, and they've got Spain v France. I don't know what that's for. Ah, football. Because you've got the World Cup next year. Yeah, so it's probably a qualifier or a friendly. If you're based in the UK, our football season's now finished. Back again in August. We've got Havana. That one's on like a grass area, and then the bar goes all the way back. So you can walk all the way along here towards Kalamaki. So if you do want to do a long beach walk. But it is actually roasting, and I feel like I need to put a hat on because I can really feel my scalp burning. So up there, I think that one's got a swimming pool. I'm getting a little bit of a breeze now, which is nice. Austria. Nice one there. More pedlos. So you can literally get them from everywhere. Got a little shop here. Ice creams. Snack bar. Sailor Nick drinks and snacks. Just on the left-hand side there. Sailor Nick's. Looks like you've got some apartments above as well. Sea Diamond Suites. More places you can get your excursions. The Isles, Greek Tavern. And then you got Yanis or Yanis. So €8 for the gyro. And then looks like meat and chips, €12.50. It's not bad prices. Again, we did say that the food here and the drinks are sort of mid-range. It's not as cheap as some other places we've been to. Check out the Albufeira series. I do a bar crawl in Old Town and New Town just to show you what the current prices are. And we also did the same for Turkey, Marmaris and Ishmael, so do check those out. And obviously we've got the Tenerife footage. It's always cheap in Tenerife, so we don't usually do that content because you can get a beer for like €1.50. Here it averages for about €4. Oh, that wind is lovely.
Still quite warm window, isn't it?
Yeah.
So when we came up here before, there's nothing was open.
No. Galaxy Bistro. Bistro.
Oh, I should have got my beach towel.
Looks like that one might have a pool as well. One a little higher up over there. Might be part of the hotel, that one. Nice and blue. Have a little mini market. So this is Laganas beach strip. If you're new to the channel, we do excursions, beachfront, nightlife, prices, bars, restaurants, everything. We do a little bit of festivals, events, and we also do some local footage from where we're from, the UK. If you are new and you like the content, don't forget to give it a like. A thumbs up really does help move the content along, and it helps the work that we're doing. And subscribe if you are enjoying it, so you can go and see the other sort of destinations we've been to, and comment if you would like us to go somewhere or you've got something in mind. We are in the beautiful Zante Laganas. So we've got El Paradis Beach Club.
Place to be actually.
The number one, please.
Have a look at what's going on.
Okay, what have you got going on? Do you want to sell yourself for the channel?
For sure. So, last time we have already, for example, like we're doing every weekend here, guys. We
Yeah.
let you know, Wednesday, Friday, and we're doing a lot of events.
Okay.
For example, like every Wednesday we have a little dirty secret party.
Okay, lovely.
We call DLS. We bring every weekend different DJ. So now is the beginning of the season. For example, like last summer,
Yeah.
we bring like Jack Jones, Sigala,
Oh, lovely.
Sigma, Low Stepa. So this summer we have a few DJs, new one.
Okay.
So
So
they're coming
check
soon.
this out. Yeah, perfect. And this
So,
is El Paradis.
El Paradiso Beach Club,
Perfect.
5-star beach club in Lagana.
Yeah, we'll
You
go
can
and have a look. Thank you.
And a Friday we're doing Love Juice,
Okay.
pool party,
Pool party. And how much is it?
€35 each.
Okay, and what does that get you?
You have entry, you have your VIP table,
Yeah.
and you have with your wristband, you have after party to the club
Yeah.
till 5 in the morning. There is AMC rappers
Yeah.
and switching music.
Okay.
So till 5 in the morning. So it's a good vibe actually with two plays,
Yeah.
one price.
Perfect. And that's what time does it start?
5 o'clock in the afternoon.
So 5 till 5. So 12-hour event, and you get to see music, you get drinks, get VIP area, and you've got a pool as well.
For sure.
And DJ as well.
So this was a brand new club, only 2 years old.
It's at least 5 years.
5 years.
But we
Okay.
make brand new this summer because we're doing a lot of events here.
Okay.
So we're gonna show you the DJs who's gonna come this summer. We have it here.
Ah, lovely. Pool looks really nice as well. I like all the
Cabana,
the cabanas are really nice.
DJs. Saturday night we have a Beyond Chicago
Okay.
at Caesar Club. 12 the night time till 5 in the morning. It's for €25.
Do a close up of the QR code so people can check it out. So yeah, if you want to have a look, guys, if you're coming along this summer, check out who's up and coming for when you're going to be here. Oh yeah, really, really, really nice. All the cabanas are really pretty, yeah, and then you've got that gorgeous view.
We have the team. We have the team here, the Call and Charters team.
Okay.
Around all the Lagana is a ticket seller for Caesar Club and for El Paradiso here as well.
Yeah.
We're gonna sound out all the people like who's looking for events. They're gonna explain about events and ticket, and I'm gonna give you the wristband as well for events.
Okay, perfect. So you've got to make sure you wear your wristband, otherwise,
For sure.
yeah, you won't get entries. So make sure you keep that on the whole time.
Professional ticket sellers
Yeah.
with the email with number phones.
Okay, so it's
So you
all
have a-
legitimate and verified for you.
For sure.
Perfect.
When you have your ticket,
Yeah.
you need to tell me your name, your last name, your email, your number phone, and you're coming to your email the ticket.
Okay,
And also we
perfect.
give the wristband as well, like
So like that one.
Sizzle.
Sizzle. Perfect. So don't forget to check
Thank you
this
very
out,
much.
El Paradis Beach
El
Club.
Paradiso.
Thank you so much for your time today. Cheers. Right, let's keep going. So that one looks really good. We've got our Soccer Festival, but we are here until Wednesday, so we'll see if we can check this one out, because that pool looks gorgeous. Really nice. So we're going to keep walking down, see what's further on ahead. So we're going to go on to a few more, and then we're going to wrap it up, because there is obviously a lot more going forward, and then the way we've just come, there is more going around there as well. And then you've got the Laganas strip, which I've already done a video on this morning. Depending on when this comes out, it might be before or after. So again, just check out the channel and it will have all the content on there. to show you Laganas, which is the main sort of party area. So you've got the nightlife, the beaches and the beach bars. Okay. So yeah, so thanks for tuning in, everyone. This is Wagwan Tours. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe and like. It really does make a massive impact on the channel and help spread the word. And I'll see you on the next one.